Hello everyone, this is Exponential of Online Maths, and in this lesson we want to solve this problem to find the value of x plus y over xy, given that 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of y is equal to 1296. Now we can call this that 2 to the power of x is the same thing as 1296. Also, 3 to the power of y is the same thing as 1296. That's the meaning, because all of them are equal. Now, starting from the first one, if you have that 2 to the power of x is equal to 1296, I can decide to raise both sides to a power of 1 over x. The essence of doing this is to ensure that the x on the left hand side is cancelled. Like here, this will cancel out, leaving me behind with 2 is equal to 1296 to the power of 1 over x. I can call this equation 1. Then I will pick the second one, which is 3 to the power of y is the same as 1296, right? Then I can call this, or I can decide to raise both sides to a power of 1 over y. Okay, raise both sides to a power of 1 over y, so that the y at the left hand side will be removed. This will cancel out this. I'm just having 3 is equal to 1296 to the power of 1 over y. I can call this equation 2. Now, what if I multiply equation 1 and 2 together? Okay, now look at equation 1 here. Equation 1 says 2 is equal to 1296 to the power of 1 over x. If I multiply the two equations, 3 times 2 is 6. Then 1296 power 1 over y times 1296 power 1 over x is the same thing as saying 1296 to the power of 1 over x plus 1 over y. You know from the laws of indices, when you are timesing two things that are having the same basis, you simply add their powers. So I will simply add their powers. Just like if you have 2 power a times 2 power b, it is simply 2 to the power of a plus b. That is just the idea I used here. Okay, now from here we can add the powers at the right hand side. The LCM should be xy. So xy divided by x is y times 1 is y, plus xy divided by y is x times 1 is x. So we're now having that 6 is equal to 1296 raised to the power of x plus y over xy. You know, you can write x first before y. Now, what if you try to find out 6 times 6 is 36? 36 times 6 is 216. 216 times 6 is 1296, which means that 6 power 4 will give us 1296. So I can just use 6 to the power of 4 to replace 1696. Then I'll have x plus y over xy. So this is the same thing as 6 equals 6 into the 4 is now times in x plus y all over xy. So because the bases are the same thing, the power should also be the same. Therefore, I can write that 4 into x plus y over xy is equal to, the power here is 1, right? Because this is ordinary 6, so the power should be 1. So you have 1. Meaning that x plus y all over xy should be equal to 1 over 4 if I divide both sides by 4. So what are we asked to get here? If you scroll up, you will see that we were asked to get this x plus y over xy. So we can now see that x plus y all over xy is the same thing as 1 over 4, and we've answered the question. Bye.